Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix CapCut template not showing. So I will show you how to fix it on iOS as well as Android, but I want to get a live example because my CapCut app is back to good. So here we go, just follow the step for Android. So just go to phone settings, select application, find CapCut and select it. So clear cache and data and set enable all permission and restart and open the CapCut again. For iOS, you can follow the step. Just go to phone settings, select general, select language and region, just choose country you like and go back and select VPN, tap on at VPN configuration, just select op and open the CapCut apps again. So that's how to fix CapCut template not showing on iOS and Android, but I'm so sorry I don't give a live example because my CapCut apps is back to good. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.